we are here in Stavanger, guys, because it's kind of special today because it's Gladmat festival. Gladmat in English, it means happy food. So today I'm gonna give you a tour at the Stavanger port, and you'll see different kinds of booths serving or selling foods from different countries or cultures, but it's gonna be different this year because of the corona. So now I'm gonna give you a tour. Let's go.
8 hours later, I can just
see there. In distance, we're right up.
Distance.
You got everything locked up?
Yes. Look, they arranged the e-bikes there.
Yes, I see there. There's a spreader.
Yes.
Hello. Take a look.
Yeah. Oh, look here. Here you can sit down.
yeah, and to be honest,
Go here this way.
there's like this is indoor.
Take a look what they got. Set this dog.
Set this down. See here they got hime box. That's homemade. Homemade. What's lefser in English?
It's the same last time. Would you like to taste?
Lefser is free. Okay, guys, I get a chance to taste. This is
The cream is made from a butter, sugar, so brown cheese.
brown cheese and sugar. Yeah, right. So let's try.
It's
good.
Ska vi smaka? Ja?
It's good. And here is fish. Wait for me.
Ah, Pinoy.
Yes.
There.
Hey guys, I see.
Yeah.
There's a Filipino chusk. Wait. So proud Pinoy. Proud Pinoy. Hi. Hello. Ayan. So they're selling Filipino stuff like noodles, lumpia, vorol, and yeah. So
Look. Look.
yes.
Yeah, well, 2 stuck 65. Oh,
Yes.
it's expensive.
It's expensive. Okay guys, so here's another place here. It's free taste. Tea lefser, also just the same as the one I tasted. Here they got also biba. What's this? Creamer. Spekepulse. Röven pulse, egg pulse. There, that's it.
Very limited.
Yeah.
3 o'clock in the morning, they eat those.
Before, guys, there were lots here in this area, but because of the corona, it's only limited. And anyway, here's the vibes here. What? And there's a famous seafood restaurant, Fisketorget, that one there.
You there.
Yeah, it's cute.
I think sit there? No. Sit there.
What do you want there? We're going for a place and have something to drink. I'm not sure if this is open. So now we are going to take a walk over there and see what's in there. So let's see. Okay. So before, that was in 2019, 2018, there were kiosk here, the food stalls. It was Gladmat festival. So here are some pubs here. People are out. It's summer. Nice temperature also today here in Stavanger, guys. It's breezy but nice. It's not cold at all. And yeah, we're walking towards that boat and they're open. They're serving food as well. So here, guys, people are enjoying.
You gotta watch these pants. It slips out of my pocket.
Yes. Gladar Umbur. So here's a boat where you can have something to eat. That's the menu. Wait, look. First, fresh torsk filet, marinered scampi, bacalao, snook, krabbe. Snook, snow crabs.
Where?
Wow, look.
Yes. You want? We take some spicy stuff.
Yeah.
Norwegian there. We've done that.
Yes, we've done that, guys. So you can go on board and have something to eat. There, if you can see. Flott-utstilling og film vises i Stor Salong, Stavanger. Okay. It's spacious. Yeah, it's windy. There's one up there too.
Where? Yeah, up there.
Yeah, it's occupied. There's one there, closer.
Where? Yeah, it's
There.
over there. We sat there once.
Yes.
Now it's windy there.
It's kind of windy,
See
guys.
over
So
there.
we'll see. We'll walk onwards. So yeah, there we sat there last time in that area.
See here. Over that way.
Von Trick.
Well, you can go over here.
Hi folks, please wait to be seated. It says here, combo plate, pulled pork, smoky hot leg sausage, no, barbecue brisket,
We're gonna get the food. See there. Where do we go? We go back? What looks now, huh?
no,
Ready? Will we go there? You like the place?
what?
I invite. You want bullocks? Or what?
Now we can go there at Gladmat or what?
Yeah, we go there. See if we got available there. Wow!
What?
Got a wasp in my mouth.
Incredible.
Almost entered my mouth.
A wasp. We go here, middle.
Yeah, look, tame. No?
Mm.
Looks tame there. There they're eating. Look at they're eating. No, nothing special. Pretty good. Table available there.
It's full. Take a look on that side.
Which side?
This one, because we walk that way.
Okay, we take.
Okay guys, this is take 2. Looks
Take
good.
the Pinoy thing.
Looks good. You wait, I take a look first. Nice and easy there walking. Now wait for me. Vietnamese. Hello. It's in a queue there.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's you there.
Incredible. You need to look there. So guys, we are here in Simply Pinoy. Shilling me plus rice.
What is
Teriyaki
that?
sauce.
What's the thing there? Is that
I'm not sure if it's pork or chicken.
yes, because we got chicken breast there. It's chicken with sweet sour sauce. Okay?
I'm gonna have pancit steak noodler. Yeah. What are you gonna have?
Ask her if you got chicken breast. There.
Chicken breast, but there's no, it's only
No,
sweet.
chilling.
Okay. Guys, proud Pinoy here.
Where's his finger? You can't see nothing.